Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is also called AI. AI means machines that can think and learn like humans. AI is one of the fastest-growing technologies in the world. Many companies are investing in AI today. AI is used in many fields like healthcare, education, and finance. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases early. AI can analyze medical data very quickly. This helps doctors make better decisions. In education, AI helps students learn better. Many online platforms use AI to teach students. AI can also provide personalized learning. This means students can learn at their own pace. AI is also used in self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use AI to understand roads and traffic. Companies like Tesla are working on this technology. AI is also used in smartphones. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant use AI. They help users by answering questions and giving information. AI is also important in business. Many companies use AI for data analysis. AI can find patterns in large amounts of data. This helps businesses make better decisions. AI is also used in customer service. Chatbots are an example of AI. Chatbots can answer customer questions quickly. This saves time and money for companies. However, AI also has some challenges. One concern is job loss due to automation. Some people worry that AI may replace human jobs. But AI can also create new job opportunities. People will need new skills to work with AI. Another challenge is data privacy. AI systems need large amounts of data. Protecting user data is very important. Governments are creating rules for AI usage. Ethical use of AI is also important. AI should be used for the benefit of society. We must use AI responsibly. The future of AI is very exciting. AI will continue to improve many industries. It will make our lives easier and more efficient. Many experts believe AI will change the world. Students should learn about AI technology. AI knowledge will be important in future jobs. Learning AI skills can open many opportunities. AI is not just the future, it is already part of our present. We must understand and use it wisely. Thank you for listening.